Hello everyone. Welcome to JHS Infotech. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP Full Stack Development question and answers. How do you stay updated with the latest developments in SAP ABAP Full Stack Development? Answer: staying updated in SAP ABAP Full Stack Development involves actively participating in SAP community famous attending SAP events and conference talking online courses and certifications and following blogs and publications related to SAP technology. Additionally, SAP regularly release updates and documentation through its official channels. What is the role of WebDyn Pro in SAP ABAP development? Answer: WebDyn Pro is a UI technology provided by SAP for developing web-based applications within the SAP NetWeaver ABAP environment. It enables developers to create user interfaces using declarative programming and offer features such as data binding, event handling, and UI modeling. How does SAP ABAP development support batch processing? Answer: batch processing in SAP ABAP development involves executing time consuming or resource intensive tasks in the background. This is typically achieved using batch input sessions. BDC, batch data communication. BDC or batch job scheduling using SAP Job Scheduler. SM36 ABAP programs can be scheduled to run periodically or triggered by specific events. Can you explain the concept of ADOS intermediate document in SAP ABAP development? Answer: IDOs are standardized data formats using for exchanging business data between SAP systems and external systems. In ABAP development, IDOs are generated and processed using SAP application linked enabling technology. They provide a structured format for data interchange and support various business processes such as sales, procurement, and finance. How do you handle performance tuning in SAP ABAP development? Answer: performance tuning in SAP ABAP development involves analyzing and optimizing the performance of ABAP programs and process. This includes techniques such as optimizing database access, reducing database round trips using appropriate index, improving code efficiency, minimizing loops, reducing memory consumption, caching frequently aside data, utilizing performance analysis tools such as ST05 SQL Trace and ST12 Performance Trace. What are SAP Enhancement Framework and Business Add-ins in ABAP development? Answer: SAP Enhancement Framework provides a standardized way to modify SAP application without modifying the original source code. It includes techniques such as implicit enhancement, and kernel modifications. Baddies are special enhancement points within SAP application that allow developers to add custom logic to standard SAP process without modifying the core code. How do you integrate SAP ABAP development with external systems using remote function call? Answer: RFC enables communication between SAP systems and external systems by allowing remote execution of ABAP function modules. In ABAP development, RFC destinations and configured to establish connections with external systems and remote enabled function modules are created to export SAP functionality for remote invocation. What is SAP Cloud Platform and how does it relate to ABAP development? Answer. SAP Cloud Platform is SAP's platform as a service PaaS, offering for developing and deploying cloud-based applications. In ABAP development, SAP Cloud Platform can be used to extend and enhance existing SAP system by providing additional services such as integration, analytics, and machine learning. How do you implement workflow automation in SAP ABAP development? Answer. Workflow automation in SAP ABAP development involves designing and implementing business process using SAP Business Workflow. Developers define workflows, which consist of a series of steps and decision points graphically tools or by coding workflow templates in ABAP. Workflows can automate tasks such as approval process, notification, and document routine. What are SAP development standards and best practice in ABAP development? Answer. SAP provides guideline and best practice for ABAP development to ensure consistency, maintainability, and performance of ABAP code. These include standards for naming conventions, code structure, documentation, error handling, security, and performance optimization. Adhering to these standards help in providing high quality ABAP applications that are easy to maintain and extend. How do you handle data migration and convention in SAP ABAP development? Answer. Data migration and convention in SAP ABAP development involve transferring data for legacy systems to SAP system or between different SAP system. This is typically done using tools such as SAP Data Service, Migration Workbench, or custom ABAP programs. Developers write convention routines to transform data as per the target system requirements and ensure data integrity during migration. What is the role of SAP NetWeaver in ABAP development? Answer. SAP NetWeaver is a technology platform that serves as the foundation for SAP application and solutions. It provides a set of tools and services for developing and managing SAP applications, including ABAP based application. In ABAP development, SAP NetWeaver provides runtime environments development tools and integration capabilities. How do you handle asynchronous processing in SAP ABAP development? Answer. Asynchronous processing in SAP ABAP development involves executing tasks independently of the main program flow. This can be achieved using techniques such as background processing, asynchronous RFC, ARFC, asynchronous messaging with SAP Enterprise Messaging or SAP Process, Integration Process, Orchestration, PI/PO. What is SAP Business Warehouse and how does it interact with ABAP development? Answer. SAP BW is a data warehousing solution that allows organization to consolidate, transform, and analyze data from different sources. In ABAP development, BW can be integrated with ABAP programs using various interfaces such as OpenHub, Destination, BAPIS, RFCS, and ABAP function modules to extract, transform, and load data. How do you handle authorization and authentication in SAP ABAP development? Answer. Authorization and authentication in SAP ABAP development are managed using ABAP security infrastructure. This includes configuring user roles and authorization using role based access control, implementing authentication mechanisms such as security association markup language or X509 certificates, and integrating with external identity provides using SAML or HOYOT. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.